All right, so let's get a little bit more granular. So what do you need to do to get some of this rolling in your business? Well, you know, you need to get on your website and your landing pages. I mean, you got to have, you know, good click to call buttons. You got to have a text message feature on your landing pages. And you also want to have the chat bots. And ours in particular is a chat to text. Again, we want to funnel everything in text messages, right? So we kind of have a chat bot that's a text messaging platform. So you want to get all those in place because you have the starting point, right? And then, you know, another piece of that is you want to have ours are smart forms or whatever, but you want to have form fills on your website and your landing pages and all that too. Because again, right, some people want to call, some people want a chat bot, some people want to text, some people want to email in. So if you have all those covered, and then you want to funnel them into, like, let's say, you know, you want all those funneling into some software to house all of your leads. And let's say, all right, so those leads come through here, and then this is where we start dinging them, right, with the emails and calls and everything. Like, you can email and text Debbie, and then if, you know, they respond, then you can send her a link to your calendar if you want to handle that. And this can kind of be catered specifically to how you'd like to handle it, honestly. But let's say you want to just put the booking link to the calendar in there. Well, you can text her that, and if she doesn't click it, guess what? You can text her again, I mean, again, don't go psycho with it, but follow up. But if she doesn't respond, then you can hit her again, like, hey, just wanted to follow up. Like, that mold's probably hazardous to your health. Probably need to take care of it. I mean, I'm kind of joking. You don't want to, you know, you can cater your messaging how you want. But the good thing is you want all this just going and going and going until something happens. She either says, leave me alone, or you get the job on the calendar and you get out there. That's the kind of the point of it. And again, let's say, you know, she does click the link and end up on your booking calendar. Then you can have a text message and an email confirmation to Debbie. Hey, thanks for booking your appointment for Tuesday at 2 p.m. We'll see you then. Looking forward to it, or whatever. And, you know, this is just a web form, you know, example to where, you know, you can be notified that, hey, you got a lead, but they haven't booked an appointment yet. So people can always step into this too. Like, a lot of our clients will have somebody, you know, their marketing person, or, you know, sometimes the owner. I mean, there's a lot of different scenarios, but somebody will be in charge of kind of like, you know, watching all this. And if they have time, they might just call the person, or manually text the person. Like, sometimes if you need to step in and kind of keep things moving forward, if you have time. And again, I'm not going to this is just kind of another layout and example of how it can look. You know, again, it all starts with traffic and leads. You want to capture all that on your website, landing pages, you know, Google Business Profile, you know, you want all that stuff funneling into one place is normally what works best, right? So let's say we have all that built out here, and then, you know, it turns into a lead, and then you want to start all the automations and follow-ups. You know, if you're using your own, you know, Dash, whatever, like I said, your own booking calendar, you can use that and sync it all together. And then you just want to get them on the calendar here, right? And if they don't, then that's where you come down here, and you can have the triggers and everything set up to automatically follow up with them. So this is kind of I mean, it's specific to the campaign, obviously, right? But I'm trying to show you guys a higher level so you understand the whole flow, so you can go build it out. And I kind of already touched on this, but, you know, if you have all these, I mean, this is only 4, right? There's a lot other ones, but you can kind of have all these, you want all these funneling in one location. So that way it'll be easier for you guys to manage. You don't have to go, you know, log into your Google Ads account, and then log into your Google Business Profile account, and then, you know, go check in Yelp, see what's happening there. You want all this stuff funneled into one area, so where you can leverage these automations. And remember, why does this matter? It's all in these numbers. You want to follow up with them as quickly as possible. Whoever responds first gets the job. I mean, I don't have to, you know, you guys know that. It's especially in restoration. You got to answer the phone and get out there. But the text messaging feature too, I think a lot of companies aren't necessarily thinking about leveraging that in their business. Everybody text message their friends and families, and spouses, whatever, right? Girlfriends, boyfriends, whatever the case may be. But I think leveraging this in the business world too is, I mean, it's already gone that direction, but it's only going that way more and more. So, you know, again, this is about making more money at the end of the day. I think, you know, I've showed you guys kind of the framework. There's a lot of different ways you guys could go, you know, build this out with the landing pages. There's email automation software, there's text messaging software. And this is why it's important. You want to take that. Well, first of all, you want to get that, you know, that 5, 10, 15x ROI. And then, you know, you always want to optimize and improve, right? As any business owner or marketing person should hopefully be trying to accomplish. And then, you know, you want to take that 15 to try to get it 23 and up and beyond. So again, this is just some of our guys we work with and that we've implemented this out with and getting great results. So if you do want to talk with me, I mean, that's kind of all I've got. This webinar is a little bit shorter than usual, but give our office a call and I can hop on a call with you and kind of show you a little bit more details on this, on how we're doing it. Talk about your specific situation, because I know every market's different, every demographic. I mean, there's a lot of scenarios in the damage restoration world scenario, or in the damage restoration world. There's a lot of different scenarios, right? And everybody has different business goals, different services they're doing. So, you know, write this down, give me a call, and I'll we'll find a time that works for us to hop on a quick call. Hope you got value out of that video. If you're looking for more ideas and strategies for better ways to market your water, mold, or fire damage restoration business online, you can go to restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there we have a free checklist you can download. It's called the Ultimate Online Marketing Guide for Damage Restoration Contractors. And there you'll be able to get the latest strategies that are working now to really increase your lead flow online. You could probably even 5 to 10x the number of leads you're getting per month from internet marketing. So there should be a link below, restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there you can download the checklist for free of charge. And we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.